Simplicity Building Consultancy introduces you to sustainability because simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Sustainability is a broad concept that applies to various aspects of human activities and encompasses environmental, social, and economic dimensions with a long-term perspective. If you have seen our previous chapter, you now understand the differences between sustainability and ESG. Further on, you know the fundamentals regarding sustainable design. Let's start by revising concepts and make some considerations. Chapter 2, Considerations. These additional design practices aim to create more holistic and sustainable environments that consider environmental impact and address social, cultural, and economic factors, ensuring a better quality of life for current and future generations. Biophilic design, incorporating natural elements such as plants, natural light, and water, features into the design to improve occupant well-being and connect people with nature. We will later further explain this design approach. Universal design, creating spaces that are accessible and usable by people of all ages and abilities, promoting inclusivity and long-term usability. Cultural sensitivity and heritage. Preservation, respecting and preserving the cultural heritage of a site or building, recognizing its historical significance, and integrating elements of local culture into the design. Social awareness, designing spaces that foster community, social interaction, and a sense of belonging, which can improve well-being. Affordability and housing solutions, developing affordable housing solutions to address housing shortages and ensure that people have access to safe, affordable housing. Disaster resilience, designing buildings and communities to withstand natural disasters like earthquakes, hurricanes, or wildfires, reducing the risk of property damage and loss of life. Urban farming and food production, incorporating urban farming and rooftop gardens to promote local food production and reduce the carbon footprint associated with food transportation. Flexible and multi-purpose spaces, creating spaces that can easily adapt to different uses over time, allowing for the evolution of building functions without major renovations. Community-centered design, engaging the community in the design process and prioritizing their input to ensure that the building or development meets their specific needs and desires. Digital connectivity and smart cities, designing cities and buildings to be digitally connected, improving efficiency, accessibility, and communication among residents and infrastructure systems. Public art and aesthetics, incorporating public art and aesthetically pleasing design elements to enhance the visual appeal of a building or public space. Healthy building materials, choosing materials that promote indoor air quality and occupant health, such as low VOC paints, formaldehyde-free products, and natural finishes. Chapter 3, Framework and AMP Systems. Join Matthew in analysing the UN SDGs, BREEAM, EDGE, and LEED, are frameworks or certification systems that promote sustainability and environmentally responsible practices in various aspects of building and development.
The UN SDGs, United Nations Sustainable Development Goals by UN, the United Nations, BREEAM, Building Research Establishment Environmental Assessment Method by BRE, the United Kingdom Building Research Establishment, EDGE, Excellence in Design for Greater Efficiencies by IFC, the International Finance Corporation, and LEED, Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design by ISGBC, the United States of America Green Building Council, are frameworks or certification systems that promote sustainability and environmentally responsible practices in various aspects of building and development. The UN SDGs are a set of 17 global goals adopted by all United Nations member states in 2015 as part of the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. They cover a wide range of sustainability issues, including poverty eradication, education, healthcare, gender equality, clean water, responsible consumption, climate action, and more. They consist in a global framework for governments, organizations, and individuals to work toward a sustainable future. They are broad and can be applied to various sectors, including construction and urban planning. Based on the A-Holistic, the UN SDGs Framework for Global Sustainability, BREEAM, EDGE, LEED, or other certifications are systems focused on sustainable building practices. The choice of certification system depends on project location, goals, and market availability. BREEAM is a sustainability assessment method primarily used in the United Kingdom that evaluates the environmental performance of buildings across various categories, including energy, water, materials, pollution, and ecology, providing certification for individual buildings and developments, assessing their sustainability and environmental impact in different levels of certification based on the score achieved. EDGE is a certification system focuses on the design and construction phases of residential and commercial buildings, primarily in emerging markets. It encourages resource-efficient design and construction practices with an emphasis on reducing energy, water, and embodied energy in materials. It is intended to make green building more accessible and affordable. LEED is one of the most widely recognized green building certification systems globally. It assesses the sustainability and environmental performance of buildings and developments in several categories, including energy efficiency, water conservation, materials, indoor environmental quality, and innovation. It can be applied to various building types, including commercial, residential, healthcare, and educational facilities. It offers different levels of certification based on the number of points achieved in the assessment. Let us dedicate some time on LEED, the most world-known certification system. This system is developed on the triple bottom line concept, expanding the traditional bottom line of financial performance, considering three key aspects of sustainability: people, planet, and profit. These three pillars represent the social, environmental, and economic dimensions of sustainability and guide the evaluation of a building's overall impact. Here's a breakdown of each component of the LEED triple bottom line. People focus the well-being and health of building occupants and the broader community. It considers factors such as indoor air quality, natural daylighting, access to public transportation, walkability, and the creation of spaces that promote occupant comfort, productivity, and overall quality of life. LEED addresses it through credits on indoor environmental quality, IEQ, access to amenities, and community engagement. Planet focused on environment protection and the reduction of a building's impact on the natural world. It encompasses criteria related to energy efficiency, water conservation, materials selection, waste reduction, site sustainability, and the mitigation of greenhouse gas emissions. LEED addresses it through various credits, including those related to energy performance, water efficiency, sustainable materials, and site development practices. Profit focused on economic prosperity and is essential for the long-term viability of a project or business. It encourages cost-effective green building strategies that not only reduce operating expenses, but also enhance the financial performance of a building over its life cycle. LEED credits related to this dimension often include those associated with energy and water cost savings, as well as incentives for sustainable building practices. By considering all three dimensions of this triple bottom line, this system aims to promote holistic and sustainable building practices that benefit not only the environment, but also the health and well-being of building occupants and the financial viability of projects. This comprehensive approach encourages a balance between social, environmental, and economic sustainability, ensuring that green buildings have a positive impact on multiple fronts.
Join us in our future videos and know more about building, helping you to control your investment, find solutions for your project, and know what is happening with your real estate.
Life is really simple, but we insist on making it complicated. Do you want to control your investment? Have solutions for your project? Know what is happening with your real estate? Speak with us.